Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to install your gusset in your bag. So I was working on this bag earlier, so I thought of it that I should record this part of installing the gusset on the bag, because there might be someone out there who will need to know how to install their gusset on their bags correctly. And this is a small mini bag, like a handbag I'm making. So this is the gusset here, and this is the bag, the body of the bag. So I already marked out the lines and I already punched out the stitching holes, but on the gusset I just marked out my punch lines, but I have not punched it yet with my pricking iron. So I will show you how I start. First off, on my gusset I start by getting the center of the gusset, like the center piece of my gusset, where that's where I'm going to start punching from. So I'm going to start from the left, punch it up way here, then I'll go to the right, punch it all the way up here to get the holes, and then place it on my bag. So I'm trying to get the center, so let's see, I fold it to get my center. Where's my ruler? This is a 12 centimeter, so which means 6 is the center. Yeah, 6 is the center, so I'll mark it here. This is my center. Now I'll get my punch board and my pricking iron, start punching from the center of our gusset. So I got the center here, a 6. Okay, now we have our whole okay, so now this is our front side of the bag. So I am going to put my gusset from here. No, it has shape, so I'm going to follow the shape neatly. Oh, I need my clip. Can you see? I'm trying to, like, if you get what I'm doing. Okay. Pardon me, I'm using natural light and by the window actually, so maybe you can get what I'm doing. Then here, and then the other one. So it's taking shape of. here, and then I will go easy again. We'll meet them together. Yes, yes, we're there almost. Yes, I got it. Now here, bam, bam, bam. It's a bit so error here, so let me fix it there. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I'll close it so I can. And the other side is open, so look. Close. So see what I did. So I'm going to start with our stitching holes. So let's see if it worked completely, you know, like let's see if gusset holes and the body holes are together. I have to prove that. Okay.